Hey everybody, welcome back. So I just filmed my campaign 11 video, and I mentioned that my order had just come a few minutes before that I started to film that video. I feel like I'm crooked. I don't know. Let's see. I don't know if that's going to make a difference or not. I feel like the camera's on an angle. If I'm crooked, I'll just tilt my head this way instead. So anyways, yeah, my order had just come before I started that video, and I got quite a few things, so I thought I would show them to you. Some exciting stuff. And also I mentioned that I had a pouty cat sitting next to me. Keith did put her on her harness and took her out for a walk, so she's out walking around the yard with him right now. My hair's a little windblown. Anyways, so I placed an order for campaign 10. I had some customer items, local customers that I service, and then there was a few things that I wanted to pick up too. So some of the things I got are from the outlet, and some of the things I got were demo items for campaign 12. So let's get started. The first thing I picked up was from the outlet. Oh, and I grabbed my invoice so I could tell you how much I paid for everything too. Okay, the first thing I picked up was from the outlet, and it is something that I've shown before, or talked about before anyways, is the Skin So Soft Winter Soft Vanilla Hand Cream. It was in the outlet for, I believe, $2.99. I paid $1.79 for it. And I had 2 tubes in my cart, and I ended up taking one out and just getting one, because the one I'm currently using, actually, which is handy. There's Ranger barking his head off. The one I'm currently using is only about halfway gone, and I have a tube of the lavender also, but I really like the vanilla. It smells really good, and Keith loves it. Every night when I use it, he's like, that smells so good. I love it. I love it. So I don't know. I might end up getting another one, but it's really, really nice. It absorbs in, and you don't have any greasiness, and it like just soaks in, boom, just like that. But it doesn't like soak in and not do anything. It soaks in and you feel hydrated. Your hands feel really soft and they smell super good. So that was cool. The other thing I picked up was 2 boxes of the new sheet masks from the outlet, and those were $5.99, and I paid, how much did I pay for them? I paid, well, they were, for the 2 of them, it was $11.96, and I paid $7.19 for 2 packs of them. So I got 2 boxes of the firming one, the Royal Jelly. I don't care as much for the brightening, but I really, really enjoy the firming. And I have some currently, but I just used one the other day, and I was like maybe 3 days ago. Well, no, I placed my order Monday. Today's Wednesday, so I must have used it Sunday, and I was reminded how good these really are, and how sad it makes me that they're discontinued. But so I ended up ordering 2 boxes, and I had 3 boxes in my cart, and I took one out because I'm like, really, I still have a few left. I think I got 2 or 3, and then I have so many sheet masks, as you guys know, from other brands, but these are just so nice, and once they're gone, they're gone. And so I wanted to pick up 2 of those. And then the other things I got are new, and they are in campaign 12. They'll be debuting. So there is a whole line of fabulous dresses that I think I showed you guys in the What's New video for campaign 12, and I want them all, but I am trying to show some restraint, and I don't need them all, and I can't possibly wear all of them, and it's just wasteful. So I started out with the one I liked the best, just one, and then we'll see as time goes on if I want more. But I started out with the one I like the best, and that is the Bianca printed dress. Now I did get this in a 1X. I was kind of like on the fence, because the Mark dress I got, the polka dotted dress in the 1X, is a little big, and I just purchased some dresses from Lane Bryant in the 14-16, but I just wasn't sure. So I thought, if this one runs a little big too, I'll definitely send it back. I'll get the extra large instead, and then I'll know from now on out that I need 14-16. But it's weird, and if you've ever like gone down a size before, you know what I mean. It's hard to think of yourself when you've been one way for a long, long time. It's hard to think of yourself being a different size. So it's like, I'm afraid to order the 14-16. Well, an extra large would be a 16. But, you know, I'm like afraid, because it's just in my brain, I think, well, that can't fit me. You know what I mean? So I don't know. So I did get the 1X. in this one. But it's so pretty. And it is 100% polyester. So I'm going to show it to you guys right now. We'll open it if I can see where the little flap thing is. And it is a maxi dress. Of course, I'll do a try-on video for you guys. It is a maxi dress, so if it's too long, I'll just tie a knot in it. It's so funny. Keith is so funny because I have some maxi dresses, and I wore one of them last year. We went to Greenfield Village, and it's really particularly long, so I knotted it up in the front to make it look like a high-low hem. You know, I knotted it, and as we were walking, this woman said to me, "Oh, that's a good idea," and I said, "Well, I'm short, so I've been, you know, I do this all the time," and Keith was like, "That's so smart of you to think of that." I go, "Honey, short girls have been tying up their maxi dresses since the 70s, you know, since maxi dresses and skirts were invented. It's just, you know, okay, so right away, I can tell you the material does not feel like I thought it was going to feel like. It doesn't feel like I thought it was going to feel like. It's not stretchy, so I'm glad I ordered the 1X. I thought it was going to be like a... I knew it wasn't like a jersey knit, but I thought it would be like a... I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. It's a beautiful print, and we'll try it on. But already, I'm like, this doesn't feel like I thought it was going to. So it is, like I said, a maxi dress. It has a high neckline, and the neck has a little button in the back here, this little loop, and then there's a keyhole opening. And it's sleeveless, obviously. And the print is gorgeous. So it's just this like riot of floral and leaves and everything. And then it kind of ombres down like with the florals into black at the bottom. And there's a ruffle at the bottom. It's really, really pretty. It's heavier too than I thought. It's not quite as lightweight, and it is lined. So I'm going to show you. It's got like this white slip thing underneath, which is made, and now this slip thing is stretchy, so we won't have an issue with that. I'm tempted to try it on right now, but I can't. And this, it says 100% polyester, so the slip and the dress itself must both be you know, all polyester. So, and I think I would need a person to button this. Like, I think this will not go over my head. I don't think it will. So the armholes are pretty big. I don't know, we'll have to see how that works, but overall I can definitely tell that it's gonna fit me. And I think it might be too big, but like I said, we'll have to see, and we'll do a try-on video, and if it's too big, it'll go back. But yeah, it's definitely beautiful. I love the print, but it's definitely not what I thought it was going to be. So do I sound kind of funky about it? I don't know. I might feel kind of funky about it. So we'll see. But I will tell you the price on that. The Bianca dress is going to be $44.99. My cost was $31.49. So yeah. Okay, I'm anxious to try it on, and we'll see, because you know, sometimes you just don't know till you try something on. So then the next three items also are debuting in campaign 12 Ranger. And they are makeup items. Yay, there's some new seasonal makeup, and some of it is so fun. Sorry, I had to swallow. So there's new glimmer sticks, you guys. There's actually 3 of them, and I only got 2. But look how cute the packaging is. So you can tell them apart because all the glimmer sticks just have black packaging with the color around a band at the end of it. So these obviously are the color of their tube. This is so fun. The blue one is called Cool Water. Am I right? Let me look. Yes. Cool Water is the blue one, and we'll swatch it. Now I have a swatch on my hand of the black because I just did a swatch in another video. So this is what it looks like. I haven't had any new. Ooh, it's really creamy. We'll do a good wide swatch so you can get a... Look at that. Bam. That's hot. I love it. That's going to look so cute on my lower lash line. So that's the Cool Water. And I believe the green one is called Key Lime. Yes, Key Lime. Sorry, I'm itchy. I love the packaging on these, how they stand out. So this one was a little bit different, you know, like, I'm like, but I think it'll be cute on the lower lash line, and I also think it'll be cute with blue mascara. So we'll do that one over here. I definitely think it's more yellow than green. Interesting. Not for everybody, but not for the makeup faint of heart. However, I am not faint of heart. So look how fun, you guys. I'm really excited. So you're definitely going to be seeing these pop up in a video. So fun. And the packaging, oh, so cute. And then the other thing is a new palette, and it is the True Color Sunset Beach Face and Eye Palette. I forgot to tell you about the Glimmer Sticks. So the Glimmer Sticks were $5.99 a piece, and I paid $3.29 each for them. I guess because they're limited edition, you know, they're not going to be as inexpensive as the regular Glimmer Sticks are. And so there's a pink one also that they say is a multi-tasking. You can use it for lips and eyes. And I don't like lip liner, and I know I'm not going to use a pink eyeliner. So here is the little palette. So cute. Isn't it so cute and summery? I'm so excited. It's just a basic plastic compact, no mirror, obviously. And it's called the Sunset Beach Face and Eye. You have 4 eyeshadows and a blush. Now, also, I can tell you that we do have another palette coming out that's going to be 2 bronzers and a blush. So, and I can't get this open. What's going on? Is it sealed? What's going on? Why can't I get it open? Well, I want to do swatches of it. Let's see if I can work on getting it open for you guys here. I don't know why I can't get it open. It just does not want to. And it doesn't push in. I'm busting. Oh, I almost had it. I'm getting it. There's just something. Let me see if there's like a seal on it or something. I don't know. Well, this is disappointing because I wanted to take a look at it. Alright, something. It's like stuck because this. There we go. I got it. Sorry, guys. Didn't mean to take so long. I definitely had to play around with it. So it looks like. I'm trying to see if there's matte. I think the one shade is matte. I think this like corally shade right here is a matte. Look at what I did to my nail trying to get that open. And then we got shimmers for the other 3, and the blush is also a shimmer. So let's do some swatching. We're going to swatch the blush first. So there's the blush. Nice and bright. Very pretty. Let me get a Kleenex really quick so I can wipe off my finger. I'm excited to do a look with this. It'll be fun. So we'll do this like coppery shade next. Ooh. Good color payoff. Of course, I just messed it up. It's not pretty anymore, but that's okay. We'll do the matte shade next. That one doesn't have as much. There's a little bit more. Still not too much. All right, and then we'll do the blue, and then we'll do the green. Whew! This blue, you guys. Bam! Look at that. That is bright. How fun. It's a very like shiny and fun. And we'll do the green one. So we're going to do the green one next. That's nice too. And there's the green. I can make it a little bit bigger so you can see it. There's the green. I know my lighting is... Let me do it longer. There we go. So, yeah. Very fun. I'm excited. I mean, they all look pretty good. That matte shade is right here is a little bit weak, but in the transition area, you don't want anything too crazy anyhow. And they all look really nice together, so I'm excited. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. This is going to be fun. So I'm excited to try that out for sure. And we'll tell you what the Sunset Beach palette is $9.99 and I paid $4.99 for it. So very exciting. I don't know why it opened up so difficult. You know, I don't know. But that's pretty. I can't wait to wear them. So yeah. We're going to have to try on that. Yeah, it closed really stiff, so it's just a really stiff little palette, but very cute. So we're going to try that, and then we're definitely going to be trying that dress so we can see what the deal is with that and how we like it, because it's beautiful, but I just don't know. First impression is on the fence. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Question or comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.